Welcome to Old Lodge Court. Why don't you come and have a little look inside? This impressive family home has a beautiful open plan kitchen diner with granite worktops, Siemens and Miele appliances. Situated in Beaulieu Park's most executive development in a quiet cul-de-sac location with gated community. Imagine waking up to this beautiful view every morning. Situated on a stunning plot with far-reaching field views, the garden has beautiful Italian porcelain tiles, stainless steel kitchen, Sonos system and gym. One of my favourite things about this house is this picturesque garden. If you want to come and see this stunning property, give our Chelmsford office a call. I'm Alana and we are Balgors.